welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make corn rava upma, a very filling, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add half cup of corn rava. Dry roast it for 2 minutes in low flame. After 2 minutes, you will start to get a very nice aroma. At this stage, remove from the pan and set it aside. Now to the same pan, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and 1/4 teaspoon of Channa Dhal. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 onion chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add a cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Let's wait until the water comes to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add the roasted corn rava. Mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce, so continue to cook for another 5 minutes in low flame. Now the corn rava upma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame. Now a delicious and healthy corn rava upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some chutney and sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this corn rava upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.